Good morning students. In previous class we discussed about different farming systems practicing in different parts of India and different cropping seasons, the major crops grown in India. In this session we would discuss about food crops other than grains. The major food crops other than grains are sugarcane, oil seeds, tea, coffee. Look here, sugarcane, oil seeds, tea plant, coffee seeds, coffee plant. Sugarcane. It is a tropical and subtropical crop, requires hot and humid climate with 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius temperature and annual rainfall between 75 centimeters to 100 centimeters. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane after Brazil. It is the main source of sugar, jaggery, kandasari and molasses. Look here, sugar. We get sugar, jaggery, molasses from sugarcane. Major sugarcane producing states: Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, Haryana. These are the states producing sugarcane. Oil seeds. India is the largest producer of oil seeds in the world. Most of these are edible and also used as raw material in the production of soap, cosmetics and ointment. Important oil seeds: groundnut, mustard, sesame, castor, linseed. Look here, all these are all oil seeds. Oil seeds producing states: groundnut, mainly groundnut produced in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Groundnut is a kharif crop. Linseed and mustard are rabi crops. These crops grown in winter season. Sesame is kharif crop in North India and rabi crop in South India. Castor seed is grown both as rabi and kharif. Look here, linseed, mustard, sesame, castor plant, castor seeds. Next, tea. It is a beverage crop introduced in India by the British. Tea is the best example for plantation crop. Tea plant grows well in tropical and subtropical climates endowed with deep and fertile, well-drained soil, rich in humus and organic matter. Look here, tea garden, tea plants. Major tea production states: hill regions of Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. These are the states producing tea. Coffee. India produces about 4% of the world's coffee production. Arabica variety brought from Yemen is produced in the country. Its cultivation was introduced on the Baba Budan Hills in Karnataka. Its cultivation is confined to Nilagiri in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Look here, coffee seeds, coffee plant. Horticulture crops. What are horticulture crops? Producing fruits and vegetables. So, look here, fruits and vegetables. Fruits producing states: mangoes, famous in Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Oranges, Nagpur and Cherrapunji in Meghalaya. Bananas, Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. Lychee and Goa. These fruits produced in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Pineapple, mainly in Meghalaya. Grapes, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra. Apple, pears, apricots and walnuts. These fruits mainly produced in cool temperature regions. Example, Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Okay, mangoes, apricots, pineapples. Major vegetables producing in India: pea, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal, potato. Beside food crops, in India, non-food crops also grown. The main non-food crops grown in India are rubber, fiber crops. Rubber. It is an equatorial crop. It requires moist and humid climate with rainfall of more than 200 cm and temperature above 25 degrees Celsius. Rubber producing states: Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Garo Hills of Meghalaya. These states are producing rubber. Non-food crops. Main after rubber, second one is fiber crops. Fiber crops grown in India: cotton, jute and natural silk. Look here, cotton plant, cotton, jute, natural silk. Natural silk. Natural silk is obtained from cocoons of silkworms fed on mulberry leaves. Look here, mulberry leaves, cocoons, silkworms. Sericulture. Rearing of silkworms for the production of silk fiber is known as sericulture. Cotton. Cotton is one of the main raw materials for cotton textile industry. India is the third largest producer of cotton in the world. Cotton grows well in black soil in Deccan Plateau. It requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine. It is a kharif crop. It requires 6 to 8 months to mature. India is believed to be the original home of cotton plant. Major cotton producing states: Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. These states mainly producing cotton. Jute. It is known as golden fiber. It requires high temperature. It is used in making gunny bags, mats, ropes, yarn, carpets. It is an eco-friendly product. Due to its high cost, it is losing market to synthetic fibers and packing materials, particularly nylon. Look here, jute bags, ropes, gunny bags, carpets. Jute producing states: West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha, Meghalaya. Evaluation. Name one important beverage crop and specify the geographical conditions required for its growth. Name major fiber crops grown in India. Locate coffee producing states in India map. Tomorrow we will discuss about importance of agriculture.